Hey guys, in this video I want to show you guys how to add a really good opportunity and sort of get started with that. So this also applies to organizations, although for organizations the only different part is you don't really need to specify this opportunity image part because it already takes a logo of your overall organization. So with that being said, we can get started with the organization name. So let's say I'm creating one for OpHub. I'll type in OpHub. I'll type in the opportunity title. So for ours, we're doing it for testing purposes. I'm just going to type in testing. Obviously, it doesn't have to be caps. So just keep it something like this. Then the description is basically whatever you would like it to be. However, we will recommend that you guys put some of the most important information within the first two sentences because that is really what is visible at a glance. So for non-essential information, perhaps put that later down. So put like essential information like really early, essential info, right? And I can't spell, but yeah, so you put essential info right there, essential info, and then you probably add some other stuff here, right? Things like that. So from here, we move on to what type of opportunity. So this is referring to an op type. So here we can choose from a variety of different categories. So we have position, we have contest competitions, we have events, and we have scholarship as well as an other opportunity type. So for OpHub, let's say we are trying to get some sort of ambassador program running, right? Then we would probably say something like a position, and it would probably be sort of an unpaid internship type position, right? And then we could probably specify another one, which is maybe like a volunteer type position. And we can also just say it is another type of, so yeah, so those two positions basically encapsulate which ones we're doing. So here we have the application slash sign up deadline. So if the thing that you are going for does not have an application slash sign up deadline, you simply put the same thing as a start date so people know. So let's say we're going to start next week. Let's put that down, and we also start on next week, and then we end on next week. So just put all those different fields and just go from there. Actually, we'll probably put it here, so we have 2 weeks. So from here, you need to specify if it's an online opportunity or an in-person opportunity. So for OpHub, since we are fully remote, it's going to be an online opportunity. And the region essentially says where this is restricted to, right? So if we specify a region of Canada, that means that we are only trying to get people within Canada and it's only really applicable to them. And we can specify from here. Whereas if your thing is applicable to everyone, then just type in international slash global, which is the first option. So for the sector, you basically want to choose some of the sectors that this applies to, right? And you can go ahead and click on, for ours, it would be related to design, right? So we probably want to design intern, testing, design ambassador or something like that, right? So we have that, and we can probably also say that it's going to be a bit of education in there, and that's basically it, right? We can also specify this if you want to go for a bit of activism or social aspect, and from here we're specifying the target opportunity. So we can specify high school as well as undergraduate, so we're open to both of those. So you can choose as many as you would like. And as you guys saw, if you guys do end up wanting to remove one of these, then you can just click on the delete icon and it shall delete. So from here, the link is simply referring to where the users can go to learn more. So for ours, we'll just type in literally just the same link here, and we'll just keep it at that. And the opportunity image is usually the organization's logo. However, if you also have sort of an image of the event itself or position itself that you guys have created, feel free to upload that as well. But please make sure that it's a square image, so it's 1 by 1, and that's at least 200 pixels by 200 pixels. To give you guys an example, go ahead and click on this one, Green BG. This is the OpHub logo. And once everything is done, we can just go ahead and create opportunity. And as you guys can see, it will show you this page, which essentially means that everything has gone well. And from here, you can go ahead to add another opportunity, or you can also browse all the different opportunities. And if you guys do go to latest, you guys will see that the opportunity has now been created right here, right? So everything is working. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to email us at info@op-hub.com or at our Instagram, which is at ophub, OPP hub _official. That's been it for me. Peace.